Alright guys, here we are again with me, Michael Sala, and Sammy.
Hello.
So we just got
I'm
a...
just taking the picture.
Okay, it's not a picture, it's a video. Please sit down. Sit down. We're gonna make a video. Okay, relax. Alright, so we just got a machete from...
We got the photo from... Hey,
Newberry Park, California. Can't look at
Hey,
Okay, relax. Thank you.
You
No.
my phone?
Yeah, they see it. Anyway, we're gonna open this. Now we're gonna open this up. It should be from made in El Salvador.
Wow, that's
So
awesome.
my neighbors are from El Salvador, and I love them, man. They're like the best neighbors.
Wow,
Ever,
that is cool.
so this is a machete from Condor, tool and knife. Condor tool and knife, and and I'll just open it up right here. So that's how you open it up right here. And then you have machete. Oh, I was about to say, what the heck? Did it just come with the thingy? But the sheet? But it's actually right here. So this is the Condor makata. Comes with sticker and like a little pamphlet. It says the King of the Machetes. A little booklet. So this is a sheath, leather, really good quality belt holster. So we're gonna close this up and we're gonna put this up here. So I got this one on Amazon. This was probably like 150. It was between this one and the Yoshimi. But the Yoshimi was like at $200. And I was like, I don't really need a machete that bad, but I do need one because since my neighbors are like Salvadorian, each of them have their own machete. And I think that's pretty cool because they just, it's like a tool that you just need with. And I needed one since I cut a tree and I didn't have nothing to cut the tree branches with. I was asking them to let me borrow theirs.
You don't know what he's talking about? He's talking about his machete.
But
what you talking about?
it says the branches were there for like a whole week.
What you talking about?
Each of them came out with the machete and just took turns
What you talking about?
on like cutting down the branches and stuff. And I
What
didn't
you
have mine.
talking about?
I'm talking about the machete.
Talking about?
I'm talking about the machete, Sammy. So here we go, right? So it comes with tape. Let's take it out.
Bobby, what is this?
Well, we can take it out like this. So here we go. It feels pretty good. Oh shit, bruh. This shit feels like pretty serious. It feels pretty serious. Piece of machinery. Sheesh. Now this is a machete. Oh my god. Pretty sharp. I don't know if you guys can see.
Ooh, that's awesome. We can fight the traitors.
It's like a real serious piece of machinery right here. A real serious knife, something you gotta
Wow, that's awesome.
keep away from the kids, but it's all oiled. Right now it's pretty oiled. Or I think it's oil.
Wow, this is awesome.
But yeah, this is really light. Something super light.
Wow,
something
this
super
is
cool.
awesome.
So this should be going into the sheath right here.
I think the same thing like this one.
I should go in. So this kind of have to open it up, lay down.
Wow, this is awesome. This is good. to save it off. Mine too. Hey, what is my
Go.
this stuff? Ah,
Just clip this out
I
here.
just talking about. Ha! Give me some. No, I want to split
Carry it
it.
around.
He combined.
And I'm gonna just hold it like this because since the baby's right here.
You're not.
But
Ha! Ha!
yeah, man, this is pretty. How big is this?
Ah!
Probably as big as from my arm all the way to my shoulder, basically.
Hey! Look at the
I mean, when it came in the box, it
Ha!
didn't look that big, but yeah, now that it's here, we have a machete, 2 hands. Hold it with 2 hands and just put the law down on. Put the, it's pretty thick. It's also
Hey,
pretty thick.
now it's stop.
Take it out, just. I mean, the blade isn't compared to like the blades that my neighbors have. It's not that big because their blade is like serious blades too. But yeah, I mean, test it out right here. Oh yeah, this is sharp. And I'm just kind of like letting it fall on the box. I don't know if I can say hold on. Yeah, pretty sharp. This right here. It's gonna get the job done for sure. Condor in Salvador.
Take a picture.
Condor in Salvador.
Boop, boop.
One handle, 15.5 or 18-inch blade. Pretty serious. Carrying around in the car, It's a really serious piece of machete. I'm gonna have to go camping or something. I like it. Thank you, Condor. Appreciate you guys.